Hi, my name is Emily Tadlock, and I'm running for State Rep Position 1 in the 41st Legislative District because I believe we need a blend of decision makers in Olympia. And my opponent in the 2023 legislature voted to stop police pursuit. Luckily, we, with the Citizens Initiative process, changed the law back to what it was, or should be, and that is that police only need reasonable suspicion to pursue a criminal. The probable cause is a higher standard, and it prevents police, for example, from pursuing a criminal who takes their car, backs it into a marijuana shop, takes all the things in the marijuana shop, puts them in their car, and is ready to dart off. The police show up, but since they don't have enough evidence that a crime was committed, they can't pursue the criminals. Luckily, 2113 restored police pursuit, but you can expect my opponent will continue to pass legislation that reduces our public safety and protects the criminals rather than supports the police. I'm asking for you to check me out at electemelytadlock.com and send me to the legislature so I can bring some common sense back to Olympia. Thanks.